I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace catalytic converter Toyota Sienna 2004. Begin by parking on level ground and securing the vehicle with wheel chocks and jack stands. We will cover diagnosis, part selection, and a stepwise workflow to remove and install the converter safely. I explain how to inspect exhaust gaskets, heat shields, and oxygen sensors, and I offer tips to avoid stripped bolts and leaks during reassembly. In this segment, I will explain essential tools and prep steps before you lift the Sienna. Lay out sockets, a breaker bar, penetrating oil, new gaskets, and the replacement converter within reach, and wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the battery to protect sensors and let the exhaust cool completely. I share tips for using penetrating oil on stubborn bolts and how to support the muffler securely when detaching the converter. In this section, I will help you remove the old catalytic converter from your Sienna in clear steps. After supporting the exhaust, apply penetrating oil to flange bolts and let it soak for several minutes. Disconnect the oxygen sensor wiring and unbolt the converter, lowering it carefully with a second support. Inspect and clean mating surfaces, position new gaskets, and prepare for installation while keeping parts organized and bolts sorted for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.